going to be doing our summer kits, and this is a starter kit. So you'll see there's lots of different supplies that are really going to go to kick off summer for some of our programs.
Our summer starter kit, these are all just the essential art, math, STEM supplies. This summer alone, there's a total of 60 different kits or curriculum kits throughout our elementary, middle school, and high school programs. This is a huge help to us to get you guys coming out to build one less kit, which we're building a total of 1,350 kits today.
Looking at the importance of Think Together, and as it serves 200,000 students across the state, it's quite a privilege and an honor to come get our hands dirty, get into the thick of things that the Think Together team and volunteers are doing on the regular. So it was great to show up and pack boxes for the summer art kits.
Students are absolutely critical to the future, and unfortunately there's highly variable resources available to students. I think what Think Together does is provide equal footing for all of our students throughout the state of California. Appreciate that very much.
I'm so proud to volunteer today. I'm so proud that events like this exist that gives our children, who are the future, you're giving them the tools to nourish the brain of these children.
It's just so nice to find an active way to participate and help an amazing cause. The idea of helping kids is so important. I think we really do change the odds, but also change the world. There are so many ways to get involved, whether it's collections, donations, or hands-on projects like the Spring KitBuild.
Our kids and students are the future of our beautiful country. That's why Family of State Farm, we want to show the support. We believe in them, we support them, and that's why we are here, to show that we care about their future and they're the future of this country.
Thank our sponsors, because without them this event would not be possible, so we really appreciate it.
The awesome partnership between Think Together and Topgolf. We've been supporting this organization for the last 5 years, and it's such an inspiration just to be here, and the consistency that Think Together has day in and day out, that's just something we always will want to be a part of. And what Think Together does for the youth is truly an inspiration for everybody.